Next, second problem. If limit x tends to 0, x into integral part of 4 by x, integral part of 4 by x is equal to a. The value of this limit is equal to a, then the function fx is equal to integral part of x square into sin pi x is discontinuous. This function is given as discontinuous. We don't know the values of discontinuity when x is equal to, okay, that means we have to find the value of x where the function is discontinuous. That is our problem. So first of all, find this limit. So limit x into integral part of 4 by x, limit x into integral part of 4 by x as x tends to 0. We know that for every real number x, we can express this real number as integral part and fractional part. Every real number can be expressed as the sum of integral part and fractional part. So from this we have the formula like this: integral part of x is equal to x minus, this is called fractional part of x, okay. So integral part of x is equal to x minus fractional part of x. So we have to apply this formula here. So limit x into integral part of 4 by x can be written as 4 by x minus fractional part of 4 by x, okay, and this is equal to limit x tends to 0, x into 4 by x means x are cancelled, minus limit x tends to 0, x into fractional part of 4 by x, which is equal to a, okay. Now limit x tends to 0, 4 means it is nothing but 4, this is equal to 4. And what about this limit? As x tends to 0, 0 into fractional part, totally this is fractional part, that means lies between 0 and 1 only. So whatever may be it is, as x tends to 0, 0 into fractional part of a number means it is nothing but 0. So totally this is equal to 0. So is equal to a. Therefore from this we get the value of a like this: a is equal to 4, okay. Now see the function fx is equal to integral part of x square into sin pi x. This function is given as discontinuous, and discontinuous for what value of x it is discontinuous? We don't know that. We have to find that value only here. We have to find the points of discontinuity where this function is discontinuity. So let us see this function fx is equal to integral part of x square into sin pi x. See this function sin pi x, it is always equal to 0. We know the formula: sin n pi is 0 for all n belongs to z. That means what is the meaning? So sin n pi is 0 for all integral multiples of 180. Sin n pi is 0 for all integral multiples of 180. That means for all integers it is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. Sin pi x is 0 for all integers if x belongs to integer, okay. If x belongs to integer set, sin pi x is always 0. If x belongs to integer set, then sin pi x is 0. So if it is happened, then the function is continuous for all integers, okay. If sin pi x is equal to 0 means fx is equal to 0. Therefore the function is continuous for every integer, okay. Here the function is discontinuous. It is not continuous, it is discontinuous. And we know that it is continuous for all integers, and the function is discontinuous means it is discontinuous for non-integers only. That is the key point we have to remember here. See this. Therefore, f is continuous for all x belongs to z. If x belongs to z, this value is equal to 0. Therefore, fx is also 0. That's why it is continuous for every integer. And given as it is a discontinuous. So, discontinuous means for non-integers only it is possible. Okay. For non-integers, fx will be discontinuous. Okay, so that is the point we have to remember here. Now we have to find the points of discontinuity. So let us check one by one. We have the value of a like this. A is equal to 4. Root of a plus 1 means root of 4 plus 1, root 5. Is it integer or not? Root 5 means it is not an integer. We know that. Root of a plus 5. A plus 5 means 4 plus 5, root 9. Root 9 means it is equal to 3. It is an integer. Root of a plus 21. So root of 4 plus 21. Root 25. Root 25 means plus or minus 5. Okay. Here plus or minus 3. Here plus or minus 5. And root a. Root a means root 4. Okay. So option B, option C, option D are all integers. So here our function is discontinuous at only non-integers. The function is discontinuous for non-integers only. So by observing these options, option A is non-integer, root 5 is not an integer. Okay. So the function is discontinuous at this point. Therefore x is equal to root of a plus 1 is the right answer. Okay, thank you.